cookie, he the cookie monster. But it's a trap, the arrow pierced through his armor. You reap what you sow, you should ask a farmer. That's in the Bible, but most people call it karma. He told his kids and his wife he had to work late, playing in his birthday suit without his birthday cake. His son has a recital, but he can't make that day. He kissed his wife goodbye, but work is not that way. She followed in a yellow cab right behind him. Sweat from her skin started steaming like a sauna. 10 years together, rolling strong like a Honda. She followed them upstairs, now here come the drama. Kicked in the door, then she screamed nevermore. Will you see me again? Me and your son is moving forward. States that's away from the state where you lay. You was playing yourself, so go and live with your mama.
The lights, the cameras, the action. You choose to take, baby boy, baby girl, please don't be deceived. You already know you're gonna reap what you sow. You're gonna reap what you sow. Sitting back thinking about what went wrong. God is not luck, please hear this song. You're gonna reap what you sow. You're gonna reap what you sow. Think about it.
She played the game and now she's reaping what they sown. The seed has grown inside her belly from the man her passion stole. Control herself is laid aside at night. They chose their lustful appetites. The man she's with had chosen her attention, all despite his wife. She knew that he was married when they started off as friends, with no intentions to increase beyond their work relationship. But over time as they grew closer, she gained his confidence, and then temptation grew to sin within the two could not resist. And now it's 9 months from the night the two had wrongly shared their passion, and a baby's formed inside of her, results of foolish action. And she contemplates in deep in thought to make the next decision, cause the fact is that she never planned her life for any children. In this instance, looking back, she feels her life is now distorted, can't afford to raise a child, so then I guess she wants abortion. No, she never factored in the fact this game would lead to pain, and at the crossroad of her life, what decision will she make?
The lights, the cameras, the action. You choose to take, baby boy, baby girl, please don't be deceived. You already know you're gonna reap what you sow. You're gonna reap what you sow. Sitting back thinking about what went wrong. God is not luck, please hear this song. You're gonna reap what you sow. You're gonna reap what you sow. Think about it.
You reap what you sow. This is how it is. You live on the go. You don't see your kids. You chasing more dough. Now they model is on the wrong road, doing what they father did. But the other cats had their girls on their back. God said, don't do that. You like I'm the Mac. I got 4 and 5 girls like a quarterback. Watch my money pile up like 100 stacks. I serve them on the corner to make my money pack. You dibble dabble with that crack, now you on that crack. You had a daughter way back, now she on her back. You chose the wrong road cause your morals in lack. You had sex without that coat, now you cope with that. That meaning A's, that was a foolish act. Life looking like a cave, pitch black. Thank God for his grace, he wants you back.
Oh, you already know about your action. And everything you do got a reaction.